Alright, so you need to replace your water bottle boss on your Black Mountain cycle frame. What do you need first? The bottle boss is already fallen out, it's come out, but the rivet nut that you want to put in there, this little piece, doesn't quite fit into the hole. So first thing is either a drill or a reamer. I like to use a reamer because it can be done by hand and very quickly. You only need to take out just a tiny amount. Give it a little twist. Check. Not quite. One more little turn there. Recheck. And that's the right size. Next, what you do is take some silicone adhesive, put a dab just on the outside edge there. The black that you see in the hole is the black ED coating that is rust protective on the frame that's done before paint. And I take some more silicone adhesive and put it on the riv nuts just to create a nice seal where the paint has come off and there might be some raw material exposed. With the rivet nut fixed to the thread setter, it simply goes in like so. Squeeze it together fully and back this out. It's done. That's as simple as that. Clean up some of the excess silicone adhesive and that's it. That's the new rivet water bottle boss installed in the frame. Less than